This video will introduce you to using R and RStudio. If you don't have R and RStudio installed, follow these steps. Open your web browser to cran.r-project.org. Then select the operating system that you use, and then select the base subdirectory. And here's where you can download the version for your operating system. So what is R? R is a programming language and software environment for statistical computing and graphics. R has a lot of the same built-in statistical procedures to accomplish data analysis tasks as other programs. R is available as a free software that can run on a variety of platforms and has a large amount of community support. What I've opened up on my computer is what we call RStudio. So what is RStudio? RStudio is a set of integrated tools designed to help you to be more productive with R. It includes a console and a variety of robust tools for plotting, viewing history, debugging, and managing your workspace. It also has a number of other useful features like syntax highlighting and code debugging. Now you can use the R program alone for conducting statistics and data analyses, but RStudio makes managing your workflow much easier. To download RStudio, head to rstudio.com, hover over Products, and select RStudio. There is a paid version of RStudio called RStudio Server, but we'll be using the RStudio desktop version that's free. So you can download the RStudio desktop here on their website. So let's open back up RStudio. Now, a few things you can see. The console is on the bottom left, where we're able to see our output that we make from running our R code. In the upper right, you can see that we have space that tracks and keeps track of all the variables and data sets we'll use in our RStudio session. And in the bottom right, we have a file explorer that allows us to look at the files we make, look at the plots we produce from our data analyses, and some other useful features. So let's try a very simple calculation, clicking into the editor window in the top left. We might want to know the area of a circle with a radius of 6 feet. In the console window, I've entered this value, r equals 6. You'll see that RStudio, when I run this, or when I hit the play button, RStudio adds it in the upper right and stores it as a numeric value, and it stored it as 6. Now, to calculate the area of the circle, I'm going to enter into a new line, and I'm going to type area equals, well, the area of a circle is pi r squared, or about 3.14 times r squared. And so after I enter the area for that circle, I can hit the play button again. And you can see now it added the area. It calculated a numeric value based on the radius of my circle. And it calculated that value to be 113 squared feet. So there you have it. And if this simple calculation works for you, you're well on your way to you doing statistics and data analyses using R and RStudio.